Hi guys, welcome back to SpeedCube Ninja. Today I'm going to do a few example solves on my 2x2 cube. Before we start, please consider subscribing to my channel as this motivates me to make future content. Let's go. So the first scramble is F2 R prime U F prime R F prime R2 U prime F prime U2. So now I just want to inspect it. And the first thing I see is this piece in the top face. So I just do an F2 to bring that down. Then I see this piece on the top layer. So I just match it up like this and do R U R prime. Now we have the OLL case where there's one block on the left side and the other two pieces facing away. So we do F R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime F prime. Now I just look for which PBL case it is, and it's this case where you have a color solved and the others like this. This is similar to the T-perm on the 3x3. So we do R U R prime U prime R prime F R2 U prime R prime U prime R U R prime F prime. Now on to the next solve. So the second scramble is U2 F prime U2 R U R prime U2 F R. So now I inspect it and I'm going to solve on the red side. So I just look for the other red pieces. So I see this one on the top face. So I bring it like this and do R2 to get it on the bottom face. Now the other piece is here. So we just do R U R prime. Now I look for which OLL case this is. And this is the case where you have one piece on the top face, the other one here, here and here. So we keep it like this and do R U R prime U R U2 R prime. Now I look for the PBL case. So this is the case where you have one block. So we do R U prime R F2 R prime U R prime. On to the third scramble. The third scramble is U F R2 U2 R prime U F U prime R prime. So I just inspect it and I'm going to solve in the orange face. So the other orange pieces are here and here. So I just bring this one down like this and the other one goes onto the top face. So I bring it under here and do R U2 R prime. And then match it up like this and do R U R prime. Now again I look for the OLL case and it's the case where you have two blocks and the other pieces facing away like the first solve. So we do F R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime F prime. Now I look for the PBL case and this is the case which we have two blocks. So bring it onto the same face and do R2 U prime B2 U2 R2 U prime R2 and just do the AUF. So the fourth scramble is R2 F prime R U prime R2 F R prime U F. So now I just inspect it and I am going to solve on orange. So the last piece is here. So we do L prime U prime L. Just match it up here and do L prime U prime L. Now I look for the OLL case. It is again the case where you have a block here on the left side and the other two pieces facing away. So we do F R U R prime U prime R U R So I bring it on to the same face and do R2 U prime B2 U2 R2 U prime R2 and do the AUF. On to the next song. The fifth scramble is U prime F prime U F2 R2 F2 U prime F2 R2. So I'm inspecting it and I'm going to solve on red. So I see this red piece here, so I just do R U R prime, then look for the other red piece which is here. So I just match it up like this and do R U R prime. Now the OLL case is where you have one block on the top face and the other one here. So we do F R U R prime U prime F prime. Now we look for the PBL case and it's again the case where you have two blocks. So we do R2 U prime B2 U2 R2 U prime R2 and do the AUF. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe down below and like this video. Don't forget to join my Discord server and answer the Google forms both in the description down below. If you want to watch more QB content, I will link some videos and playlists here.